The 2025 EcoRider Haven Trike Camper is a breakthrough in minimalist mobile living, blending smart technology, sustainable design, and versatile functionality into a sleek, three-wheeled electric platform designed for solo travelers, weekend explorers, or off-grid digital nomads. It's a full-featured microcamper disguised as a compact cargo trike, ready to go anywhere a bicycle can. At its core, the Haven is driven by a 1,100-watt high-efficiency motor that delivers smooth torque across varied terrain. With 5 levels of pedal assist and a full throttle option, the trike makes hills and long stretches effortless. That a 48V30Ah lithium battery provides up to 95 kilometers of range, with optional solar-assisted charging for continuous off-grid use. Suspension forks and rear coil springs soften the ride, while 3-inch wide hybrid tires ensure traction on pavement, dirt, or gravel. The front cockpit is designed for control and comfort, with an ergonomic seat, adjustable handlebars, and a touchscreen LCD panel showing speed, trip data, battery status, and assist level. Bluetooth connectivity links to your phone for app-controlled lighting, anti-theft security, and live GPS tracking. The rear camper module is compact yet cleverly laid out. Its aerodynamic shell, made from recycled ABS and aluminum composite, opens with dual side doors and a rear hatch for easy access. Inside, you'll find a padded convertible bench that folds into a full-length sleeping mat, surrounded by storage cubbies, a battery-powered fan, and LED reading lights. A retractable drawer slides out from beneath the sleeping platform, revealing a tiny kitchen space complete with a single-burner stove, compact sink, and 5-liter water tank. Storage containers for utensils and food supplies are magnetically sealed to prevent shifting during transit. Roof-mounted flexible solar panels produce 120 watts during daylight, powering the camper's lights, fan, and USB ports. Ventilation is handled through adjustable side vents and a roof pop-up skylight that also functions as a star-viewing window. The entire pod is insulated with reflective thermal lining, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm during colder nights. Exterior features include mounting rails for extra gear like folding chairs, bike tools, or a solar shower bag, along with waterproof side pouches for quick grab items like maps, chargers, or snacks. The trike includes a built-in locking system, motion sensor alarm, and weather-sealed electronics to withstand year-round use. It's street legal, classified as an e-bike in most regions, and requires no registration, license, or fuel. With a total footprint smaller than a city hatchback, you can park it in tight alleys, store it indoors, or camp stealthily in urban zones, forest edges, or coastal paths. The EcoRider Haven isn't just a camper, it's a way to live small, roam freely, and travel with purpose, all without noise, emissions, or stress. That it's built for those who want to carry their shelter, power their lifestyle, and stay connected to nature without giving up modern comfort.